All right. I'm sorry, guys. I started on the wrong page, but here we go. Percent problem. All right. Now, example number 1 says, find the change in price. Now, you're going to remember this from 6th grade. You're going to remember it from 7th grade. And all they're saying is, find the percent of increase or find the percent of decrease, okay? Now, look at this first one, Grace. This first one says the original price of the car Jasmine wants was $10,000, okay? It is now on sale for $8,999, okay? Now, Grace, remember, they want us to find the percentage of change, okay? So, when I write my little proportion, right, there are 4 numbers here. I know that this one is 100. It's always 100. What am I looking for?
Is over above.
Well, I do use is over of. That goes over here on the left. But of these other 3 numbers, which one do I not have? I don't have the percent. So I'm just going to put X here. I'm looking for the percent. Now I'm looking for the is over of. Okay? If you were to write this sentence, or this question, what would they say? What are they asking you? They would say, this is what percent of...
So you need 10,000 over 8.
Okay, let me write that in here, Grace. Are they saying, what is 10,000 is what percent of 8,999?
Oh no, they want the change.
They want the change, right? So the old goes on the bottom, the new goes on the top, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay? So let me move this out of the way so I can change that. So they're saying, no, $8,999 is what percent of 10,000? Well, we'll round our answer. That's what we're going to round. Okay. Oh, why do car dealers do that? Because this 8 looks a lot cheaper than if it were a 9. I'm just saying. Even though it's only $1. But psychologically, people will go, no, not looking at it.
I thought it was like for taxes.
No. All right, cross multiply. I'm going to get 10,000x is equal to, when I multiply by 100, it's just the numbers, 8,999, but with 2 zeros on the end. Okay? Kyle, go ahead and divide by 10,000 for me on both sides. How many places do I move the decimal point?
4?
4, because I've got 4 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is equal to 89.99%. Okay? So Grace, let me ask you this. It said find the change. This is what percent we still have. What percent did it decrease?
Oh. Wait, what?
Well, what percent did it go down? Right? I still have to pay 89.99%. So it decreased by how many percent?
So would you subtract from 100?
Yeah. Yeah. And we get, I think, 10.01%. Like that? Does that make sense? Now, this said find the change in price. So I'm going to set this next one up a little bit differently. Does this make sense? What happened there? Do you see how I had to take 2 steps? I had to find the percent and then subtract it from 100. Okay? James, help me with this one. Jerry originally paid $600 per month to rent his apartment. It now costs him $650. Okay? But I want to set this one up a little different because remember, they want to find the percent change. Right? So this is 100. I'm looking for a percent. Can you tell me what goes top and bottom here?
650 goes on. 600. 650 goes on. No, it's bad, James.
Not bad. Not bad. But remember, I'm finding the percent change. So how much did the rent change? It went up $50.
Oh, gotcha.
Right? From what?
From
From 600. So 50 is what percent of 600? So now we won't have to do that subtraction at the end. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So cross multiply, and I'm going to get 5,000 is equal to 600x and then I'm gonna divide both sides.
Two.
I'm sorry.